What's going on, YouTube? This video series is going to be about taking what you have and creating something awesome. You see all these YouTube videos and YouTubers and neighbor kids. Anyway, you see all these videos on YouTube of people and they're all decked out cars and right away looking cool, and it doesn't always got to be about that. You can take anything and make it cool, whatever you like. Do what you like. Make what you like. So this video series is going to be about turning something that you have, that you don't have to spend a lot of money, that you already got, and making it something cool. So I have something that was never cool from day one off the lot. And this thing's been through, you just look at it. It's got a 2x4 rear bumper. 2x4 rear bumper. Tape holding the glass on. I'm going to show you guys how to make something cool out of something you already have, no matter what it is. There's always going to be people out there talking crap about it. Ignore them. If you like it and you think it's cool and you're happy about it, roll with it. It's a 1999 Oldsmobile Bravada. Parts all over inside. It's tore up. It's tore up. But those are some parts I got for it already. We're gonna turn that into something cool, something you can do that if you got any knowledge of cars, and even if you don't, a learning experience for all you young kids coming up in the car world. It's sad to say, this is a dying hobby. A lot of people don't care about cars, young kids. I work with a lot of young kids that could care less about a cool hot rod driving down the road, or even taking care of their car they're driving now. It's sad to say that. I went to school for an auto body tech, Baker College, and I was the last one in the class before they shut the program down. My last few days in class, I was actually helping move out lifts and tearing apart paint booths that were already sold. Very sad to say that this industry is dying. We can't let that happen. Cars always need mechanics. Cars always need to be worked on. So no matter if they're gasoline or battery powered garbage, if you got a car and you want to make it your own and stand out in the crowd, and you're worried about what people are going to say, all I can say is just do it. If you think it's cool, then it's cool. Who cares what everyone else thinks? Everything's not for everybody. There's always going to be someone who doesn't like what you have. Oh well, doesn't mean you can still be cool with them and be friends. Go cruising with them in his car, in your car, follow each other around, go cruising. So what if you don't like your car? So what if you don't like his car? If you don't think it's cool? So I'm going to show you guys, like I said, how to take something that you got that may not be cool and make it cool. We already did the hood scoop last summer. It still needs some work done to it. It's still icy out here. That's a mess back there. Look. Throughout the video process in this journey, you're going to see this thing go from this to something much more.